Paxton, do you want money?
No.
Do you want a new car?
No, just a car.
Do you want $1 million?
No.
Do you want to go on a trip?
No.
Do you want lots of friends?
No.
Do you want a good job?
Not
No.
boy.
Are you sure you don't want lots of money?
Boy.
Oh, okay. Do you think Mommy should get a bigger house?
I can stay.
Oh, okay.
No.
Do you want to have dinner?
I just want
You just want out? Do you? Oh, okay. Do you want to go to the park? Oh, okay. What are we going to have for dinner? Should we go see Monty?
No,
No. Do you want to go on the boat?
no,
Do you want to go swimming?
no,
Oh, okay. Do you want to give me that little piece of napkin?
No.
Oh. Thank you. Another one? Thank you. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye.